Okay, welcome to the second lecture from week 11. In last lecture, we went through the Bernoulli process. In fact, the last lecture 11.1 was a recap from lecture number 10, in which we studied Bernoulli process. A Bernoulli process is composed of fixed intervals of time where probability of success in each interval is a number that is sampled from a Bernoulli distribution having probability of success p, and the events are discrete and they are independent. These are some highlights of Bernoulli process we have been studying. Today we'll have an introduction of Poisson process. Poisson process can be thought of as a continuous version of Bernoulli process. Here we do not have fixed intervals. Intervals can be arbitrary, of arbitrary length, whereas number of arrivals in an interval of arbitrary length t are expected to be lambda times t, where lambda is the rate of arrival and lambda for a Poisson process is a fixed number, is a fixed quantity. It remains the same. The intervals are not fixed. The length of interval isn't fixed, lambda is fixed, and it is the rate of arrival. For any two intervals of arbitrary length t1 and t2 are independent. Moreover, this Poisson process has a memorylessness property. Memorylessness property, which means that if we start observing a Poisson process right after this interval is this time t naught, whatever that has happened before this doesn't affect the things that are to be happen in future. So it is a memoryless process. The probability of the PMF that governs this process is Poisson distribution, where we have studied Poisson distribution in undergrad. A Poisson is a discrete probability distribution. It's a discrete probability distribution which has Poisson probability distribution has only one parameter, lambda, that is the rate of arrival or rate of success. The Poisson of lambda, probability of x is equal to small x. The PMF is e to the minus lambda to the x over x factorial, where lambda is the parameter, the only parameter of this probability distribution. E is e and x is the number of expected arrivals. And if we draw this probability distribution versus different values of x, it comes out to be, for a fixed lambda, it comes out to be discrete, and we get the maximum probability of occurrence where x is equal to lambda. And for any value of x that is smaller than lambda or greater than lambda, the probability is less than this maximum probability. So we'll see in the coming lecture that this probability distribution governs the Poisson process that we will be studying in next two or three lectures. Thank you.